I got up earlier today and all the villages in this small town are still sleeping. The houses on this street all have the same pattern, similar color, similar construction style, and are very unique. A little chilly in the morning, the temperature is not favorable. But in this town, I'm the only tourist. It is a low season and there aren't many tourists. I plan to do a sightseeing tour of the lake and then trek to the highest mountain in the region, Lawang Mountain. Interestingly, Lawang in Chinese means an innocent man's wife who has a secret relationship with a man who lives next door. And this innocent man is completely unaware of the relationship. Locals told me that the lake was not like this before and it formed because of a reservoir built downstream of the Beipanjiang River, and the government then assisted in building all these houses for locals. The cuisine of Guizhou is characterized by the spicy taste, even at breakfast. Well, just check this place. This is spectacular. It's very beautiful. It's 9 a.m. in the morning, and I'm gonna show you. This is the lake. The mist is floating on the lake surface. It looks like some fairy place. It's really beautiful. Just check these mountains. Well, I gotta say this place is really beautiful, and this is not the right season. It's a low season, but good thing that like I said before, I'm only tourist here, probably because I don't see many other tourists. If you come to this place during summer times, you can do paraglide here and you can swim here. You can do trekking on those mountains. It's super beautiful, and those primitive forests, I learned from locals that no dangerous animals means that you can have a quite unique and quite safe camping or trekking experience here. So I highly recommend this place. If you're strong enough, you can just swim here.
Wow, just check this. It's kind of like a scenery in movie Lord of the Rings.
I just parked my motorcycle here. Now let's see. Wow, it's spectacular, right? Serenity here. I'm the only one here. Oh, oh, yeah, you can hear reflections. Wow, check my hairstyle. Yeah. It's really foggy. If you check. If you listen carefully, there's some strange sound, right? But it's a cliff. At the bottom of this cliff, there's a river, the same river, the Beipanjiang River I mentioned yesterday.
I cannot drive very fast because I cannot stay very far. It's like only 20 meters. So my speed is less than 30. If you check, I can see nothing. Really, really foggy. There's a bus station. Hey, boy. Okay, I got 4 of you. Nice to have you here. Hello, buddy. It's just unbelievable. The government just built this road for some villages, very small villages. Just say this perfect pavement.
Just here, I see a river again. I can hear the sound from the very far distance. And by the way, there's a guy over there. Zoom in, smoking. The guy is smoking. He's looking at me.
Say the government just built this road for these small villages. There and here. That's perfect road. The construction work. Oh, this is people here living in this remote area. Good thing stay away from hustle and bustling mega city.
Well, I switched from the carriageway there and to the small concrete paved trail here. I'm gonna go to that place, and then that place, then to inside the cloud. There will be a very small village. I plan to do some hiking work over there. I'm the only one, but this road is concrete paved, also impeccable. Now what I'm trying to do is some trekking work to a mountain top. Start today's trekking. The bad thing that today we don't have good weather, and this place has not been developed by government. Sometimes it's very easy to have a backtrack. Which way? Which way? Holy moly. No. Well, my ascent now has reached up to 300 meters, but today is an unlucky day. I can't see the view behind me because of this foggy day, but good thing that I can experience a totally different environment, kind of like something in some fairy tale or in a movie without the computer technology. I can have all foggy environment behind me. That's very interesting. Well, check my hair now. I'm old, right? Climbing this mountain just makes me older. Yeah, this looks cool. But yeah, without the computer special stunts, right? You have all those beautiful scenery behind you. Though obviously you can see blue sky and the lake. Good thing that here just you. Sorry, just me. No, with some sheep or some cows. Yeah. Meh. That sheep just said, hi, come here. I was like, yeah. Translation: I'm busy climbing my mountain. Probably next time Yeah. That is bye bye. See you next time. It's really funny. Some echoes. Yeah. I'm old. Motorcycle. Supposed to, always be together with camping, hiking, unpredictable, probably dangerous. Here's a tough one. Oh, climb mountain can be easier, but if you want to go down, that's another story. I need to do some backtrack now to this point, the number 3 here. I was just thinking why this place is so green without a trail to this direction, but to this direction is kind of like old rocks. But anyway, I need to do some backtrack. That can be quite normal. The fog just getting even denser, but if it was a sunny day, I would not make a mistake, because there's a plank road built along the cliff. Along the face of the cliff, so you can see it. Then you can know the direction. Unlike what I'm experiencing today. Wow, there's so many ships down. Whoa. Just see this cliff. It's very soft. The ship's down. I don't know if this is the right way.